Mike Innovative Door Part 2. Got that thing hugging the duct now. What I did is I took off the elbow, put a straight arm on there, and then to avoid it rubbing as much, what I did is I put a couple bends in the arm. You can see there's one bend there, and there's another bend there, and got that thing tightened up, and here we go. You can see right there, it is kind of rubbing, but it's the flat part of the angle, so it's okie dokie. And it pretty much, the only thing it's really kind of rubbing is the cotter pin through the opener, but that's it. This is a complete home run. You could walk underneath this without hitting your melon. I'm 6 feet tall, and there's probably still, I would say, a good 3 inches above my head. And there it is. 9x6'3", no low headroom with the super 007 brackets. Extendo arm underneath the vent. And voila, put some warning tags on there so that you didn't whack yourself if you're like over 6 foot, but that's it, job complete. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativeGarageDoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.